And so, controversial South African half-man, half-woman, Caster Semenya is in the news again. She's fighting for her athletics life by contesting the order of the world governing body, the IAAF, to restrict her, Semenya, and any other athlete with naturally high testosterone levels from competing unless they take medication to reduce their testosterone levels. Semenya is seeking to overturn that stipulation at the Court of Arbitration for Sports, CAS. Of course, this continues to be a very sensitive and indeed divisive issue. Me still say Semenya has an unfair advantage because of her unique gender status. Remember now, athletics is divided into a male category and a female category. But Semenya has characteristics of both male and female. She has no womb, no ovaries, and she has internal testes, as well as highly elevated levels of the male hormone testosterone, which puts her in the category of being a hermaphrodite. That means she is neither fully male nor fully female. It's a tough place to be. But until the IAAF comes up with a hermaphrodite category of competition, maybe athletes like Semenya should not be allowed to compete. Seriously, spare a thought for the women competing against Semenya with typical feminine features and normal testosterone levels. You think it's fair to those innocent, hard-working women to be competing against a scientifically proven half-man, half-woman? You think it's fair? Eh? You think it's fair to them women? Caster, you think it's fair? You think it's fair, Caster? You think it's fair? All right, nobody bad me up.